Laban ng TNT kontra Rain or Shine. Ano ba ang ginawa ni Chot Reyes para mapakalma ang gigil na si Ray ng Batak? Alamin natin yan sa isa pang resident heartthrob, Byron Beroya.
Kinailangan ko siyang pakalmahin. Yan ang naging sagot ng Talk and Text Tropang Giga head coach na si Chot Reyes nang tanungin siya kung paano daw ba ang mentality ni Ray ng Batak nang harapin nila ang dati niyang koponan na Rain or Shine Elasto Painter sa 2024 PBA Governors Cup Semifinals. Aniya, overly excited at nanggigigil daw itong sinambatak ng kalabanin ng kanyang former team kaya't kinailangan daw muna itong paupuin at palitan ni Jason Castro.
Well, he started off kind of overexcited and that's why I had to tell him to calm down, relax and pick his spots. Medyo nanggigigil siya nung start. That's why we replaced him right away with Jason just to settle him.
Tila naging effective ang diskarte ni Chot Reyes na pakalmain si Ray ng Batak dahil mas naging klaro na daw ang isip nito. Dagdag pa niya, naniniwala daw siyang mas focusin ng Batak na galingan upang matulungan ng Tropang Giga kaysa sa galingan upang talunin ng dati niyang team.
Then when we brought him back, he had a very clear mind and you saw what he did out there. I can't speak for him, but I think for more than the desire to do well against his former team, it's really the desire to do well in the semifinals periods and contribute for the team. And hopefully that's what we continue to rely on moving forward.
Sa pagkapanalo ng Tropang Giga, malaki yan na iambag ni Batak sa kanilang unang panalo sa semis matapos makapagtala ng 14 points at 9 rebounds. Ako, si Byron Beroya, Abante Sports, now na.